Haley, do you want to go find the elves?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey.
Go find them. Oh, here, let's see if we can get a light. Oh, there we go. There they are. Where's Missy, Haley? Where's Missy? Sounds like she said, come on.
She did. You've been saying that to me too?
Let's turn on some lights. It's kind of hard to see. I'll just turn on this. Let's go look for Missy.
Missy.
Do you know where she is?
Yeah.
I don't know.
No, Missy.
She's not in there anymore. She's not hiding there anymore. So where is she? Yeah. Did she leave?
Yeah.
Aww. She's hanging up there by herself. So they're all the way over here, across the room. And she's up there.
Hey, you up here?